Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing a twofer today. You guys are going to see me make up my face as well as do hair. And today's hair is going to be from Omgherhair. I've done quite a few videos for them in the past. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some bouncy curls. It did come with an elastic band and it's rather long, but look at these curls though. They're super cute. I love when companies do a great deal of the work for you, and already having these curls in the unit is really going to save a lot of time. This is a 360 lace frontal. It comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 at the bottom. We are going to get into the install first, and then we're going to move on to the makeup portion. And y'all, the good thing about this unit is that it comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So the knots are already bleached for you. The hairline looks good, but I am going to do some work to it later on. I'm going to show you what the parting space looks like. It's about 4.5 inches of parting space, which makes for a very natural look. I am going to also tint the lace with my Sally Hansen. This is a really good technique in order to conceal the knots, but for this particular install, I'm only using it to tint. So if you want your lace to be your scalp color, you can use this as a really quick and easy way to do so. If you are lighter than me, use, I believe, medium glow. I'm using deep glow. So I'm going to put the unit on currently, and I'm not doing the ball cap method or anything. I just have my stocking cap on my head. I'm just making sure it fits. I did get a size medium, and it fits very well. So right out of the package, the curls look very nice. And I do have to share with you guys something to know. If you decide to tweeze the hairline, you're going to have to manipulate the curls so they won't look like this. And also when you wash this hair, it's going to alter the curls. But we'll talk about that a little bit later. So right now I'm just applying my favorite adhesive, which is the yellow bottle Got2b glue. And I'm just applying that around the front parameter to secure the unit down. After I've done this, I'm going to grab my blow dryer on the cool setting, and I'm going to dry it until it gets tacky. After that happens, I'm going to begin to move it forward. When I move it forward, I'm going to try to make sure that I cover all the areas where the Got2b glue has been placed directly over my hairline. And I like to start with the side that's going to be kind of pulled back and behind my ear first, and then do the other side. And then I begin to use the end of my rat tail comb in order to press into the lace. If there are any areas that maybe I didn't apply enough Got2b glue, I go back into those areas, adding more. And then I go back in with my blow dryer on the cool setting just to dry it until it gets tacky. And then I just press that area down as well. After completing this process, I want to make sure that I can transition easily into tweezing the hairline, but the glue hasn't had enough time to set, or the Got2b glue rather. So I'm just going to put an elastic band on the tip of the hairline just to make sure it's held down. And then I'm going to begin to tweeze the hairline so that it's customized and it looks the way that I want it to look. Okay, so now that we're getting to the tweezing portion, once again, keep in mind that if you do not want to manipulate the curls and you want to keep them as is, don't tweeze the hairline, because you're going to have to remove the shed hair or the plucked hair that you've now tweezed out. And when you're doing that, it's going to alter the curls. So they're not going to be as tight and bouncy and in the same structure that you see them currently. As you can see, as I'm tweezing, I am having to rake my fingers through. I can't even actually comb through it because I don't want to mess up the curls too much. But yeah, I have to reiterate, don't do this process if you want the curls to look the way that they are. Now, the curls are still going to look great as you're raking your fingers through, because after I complete this process, I'm going to begin to rake my fingers through. I'm not going to comb with a wide tooth comb or anything, because I want the curls to look really nice and flowy and effortless, but they are going to look manipulated, which is fine because it does create a nice look. Lately, I've been going in with my curling iron, and I also bought this new device in order to create curls. So it's nice that I didn't have to do that with this silkier texture, but yeah, these curls are not permanent. So once you wash the hair, the curls are going to be much looser. This unit is in length 20, so you will see that it probably has more so of a wavy look rather than a curly look. So whereas with some units, you have the curls and then you can manipulate it and wash it, and you can define the curls and make them look even better. This is not that texture. I actually feel like with this particular unit, you kind of get 2 different looks. So when you start, you can get the shorter, chunky curls, but then once you wash it, you have a longer, loose, deep wave type look. So keep that in mind. So I've already removed my elastic band. The unit has probably got a chance to set for about 10 minutes. And I'm just taking out some hair in the front and creating some baby hair. This unit did come with baby hair, but I decided to shorten them with my razor. And then I'm manipulating just to create the baby hair look that I desire. And then once we've done that, we're going to pretty much be done. This next step is also optional. It's just something that I've been doing lately just to create a sleeker look in the front. So I just like to apply some edge control to the front area. And I feel like when you're tweezing, if you do this prior, it gives you a little more visibility of where you've actually tweezed. So I like to go in a little bit more after applying this product and just tweeze some more just to make sure that I've gotten the look that I desire. And I didn't do too much for this particular unit, but if you notice on my previous tutorial, I did quite a bit after adding the edge control. After finishing this process, we're pretty much done and ready to move on to makeup. I'm just going to further manipulate the curls and finger combing them to do this. I do have to say that I did notice some tangling during this process, and I believe it's because of how the bouncy curls were created in this unit. But I believe once you actually wash this unit with a gentle shampoo and also a conditioner, that you should be okay. This texture feels very soft and everything. It's just the ends of the hair that were a bit resistant, but I think that's going to change. So now on to makeup. This is a highly requested tutorial from my last video, as well as on Instagram when I posted a photo. You guys were asking for a tutorial on this particular look, so I'm going to show you all how I went about doing it. I'm not going to share all the details of everything that I use. I am going to be showing some of the products, but I'm going to let you all watch this process. But I do have a detailed everyday makeup tutorial that shows you all the details, and it's slowed down. It's not going to be as fast as this process is going to be, but I do want to show you all how I got ready, and you all can just watch this process, but be sure to go back to that everyday makeup tutorial so y'all can get all the specific details. All right, so let's get on to this portion. All right, y'all. So this is the final look. I love, love, love it. It looks so stunning. These curls are absolutely beautiful. Once my makeup oxidizes, it's going to look so much better. I don't use setting spray or anything. I've gotten that question in the past. I feel like it makes my skin look oily, so I don't apply that. These curls are super flowy. I love the dimension of the style and also how it kind of looks like a bob in the shorter state. But again, once you wash it, it's going to look much longer, so you get two looks in one. So I'm going to turn around so that I can show you all what it looks like in the back. It looks really great. And you could decide to cut some of the curls, but I decided not to shape it or anything while it was in the curly state because I didn't want to mess up the look for when it actually is elongated. So I wouldn't recommend necessarily doing that unless you're okay when it's longer not having consistency, if that makes sense. So this is what the unit looks like in the back as well as the opposite side. You can kind of see the bob shape that I was referring to earlier. So now we're going to get into my outfit details. My one shoulder chocolate top is from Boohoo. I shop there a lot. And y'all have this top in about 3 different colors because I love it so much. And my skirt is from Ann Taylor. This is a pleated faux leather skirt. I really like it a lot. It comes down to my knees and I paired it with some heels. And if you go to my Instagram, you can see the full look. My tassel earrings are from Amazon and they have these in about 3 different colors. So you all go to Amazon and look for tassel earrings. They have so many different options. But I hope that you all enjoyed this particular video. I love you all so much. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We are almost at 100K. Let's get there before the end of this month. I love y'all. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.